Okay, so let's start with the picture. So I'll click here, so this is open, and then I locate the picture. There you have it. So this is the picture we are using, a very sharp image. Okay, so I got this image from Free Pics. I wanted to use this image because I want to show you how to remove the background, all right, if the subject has so many hair. Okay, so the first thing we will do is to make sure we are in the Pixel Studio, all right, and then make sure we are using the Pixel View mode, all right, and so we are going to grab our quick selection tool. Okay, so this is the object selection tool. So in Photoshop it is quick selection tool, all right, and then we have the selection brush tool, and then we have the flat select tool, all right. So if you don't see this, or if you have it but you can't activate it, this is what you do. You need to go to your edit, and then you click on settings, and then it opens this pop-up for you, and then you choose machine learning. So these are the models you need so that you can activate some of the tools you have here. So with the quick selection or the object selection tool, you need to download it, all right. So you click download, and it's going to download the segmentation, all right. So now you can see we have selected the object selection tool. What you are seeing now is I'm trying to tell the software that it should select the image, all right. But if you want to do the selection manually, you need to grab this tool here, which is the select tool, all right. So when you click, it's going to select the subject for you. I want us to use the object selection tool, all right. Okay, so you can see we have our selection. This one is to add a selection, and then this one is to subtract a selection. All right, so then we click on refine. So I can see some of the blue background interfering with the subject, all right. Okay, so now let's zoom in, and then let's click to create a selection. So you have to click, and then you drag over the part where you want to remove, all right. So you can see it's off. Okay, so now you can see we have perfectly removed all the outlines, all right. When we move to this pop-up, we can view this image in so many ways. So we are now in the overlay. We can view on white. Look at how it looks like on a white background. Very nice, all right. And then we can also view it on a black and white, and then we can view it on a transparent. So this is actually what we want, all right. Let's click on apply. Okay, now let's select pixel and then new fill layer. All right, so we can change the color. Let's use this color, and then let's drag this behind this, and then let's zoom in, so you can see we have a perfect background removed. All right. So this is how to remove background in Affinity. Very simple, very easy to do. And I believe you've learned how to remove background in Affinity, all right. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, like, share, and leave your comments, all right. I'll see you in the next video.